Welcome to another IVS Computer Technology tutorial. My name is Julie Sepulveda and I'm an Education Consultant with IVS. If you have any questions after this tutorial, feel free to email me at julie@ivsct.net. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover one of the three measurement tools, the interactive ruler. The interactive ruler over here on the right is found in your measurement tools. So the first step is to click on the measurement tools icon to select that ruler. Mine is located here in my secondary toolbar. Yours might be over to the right of your toolbar. I'm going to show you how to resize the ruler by clicking the ruler and then dragging your white resize handle in the corner. I'll also show you how to lengthen the ruler by hovering over the end and then clicking and dragging the end. I'll demonstrate how to flip your centimeters and inches so that they switch sides. I'm also going to show you how to click and swivel your ruler. And then last, I'll demonstrate how to use your ruler as a straight edge. To retrieve my ruler, again, I'm going to go over to my measurement tools, click, and then select my ruler. To move my ruler around my page, I'm going to click the center and just simply drag it and drop it wherever it needs to be. When I click on my ruler, notice that I have a drop-down menu as well as a white resize handle in the bottom right-hand corner. And this is how I'm going to resize my ruler, just in case I need to make it larger for students at the back of the room to see. I also have the option of lengthening or shortening my ruler. If I hover over the end of my ruler, my cursor turns into a double-ended arrow. This double-ended arrow indicates that I can now click and drag in or out to increase and decrease the amount of units I have showing on my ruler. Notice that at the top of my ruler I have inches and at the bottom I have centimeters. These measurements are to scale, so the proportions are correct. I'm able to switch my centimeters with my ruler. So if I need my inches down here to measure an object rather than my centimeters, I'm going to find this green double-ended arrow and click it, and that will cause my centimeters and my inches to flip. What I can also do is use this ruler to measure different types of lines, the lines at different angles, not just 90 or 180 degrees. I can actually hover over my inches or my centimeters, and notice my cursor turns into two curved arrows. Those arrows indicate that I can click and then swivel my ruler. Notice as I swivel, the number within this circle here changes, showing the degree of my line. So I'm going to swivel and try to line this up with my triangle here. I need to swivel a little more. So again, I'm going to click and drag. This is a 45-degree angle. I'm also going to lengthen my ruler to measure it. It looks like I have 4.5 inches here. Last, I'm going to use my ruler to draw a perfectly straight line with one of my pens. I'm going to retrieve a pen, and then to create that perfectly straight line, I'm just going to make sure that I start drawing right at the edge of my ruler. So I almost draw on it, but just right at the edge. And then as soon as I set that pen down and I drag it to create that line, no matter how much my hand shakes, my line will continue to be straight. Thank you for joining us for another IVS tutorial, and hopefully we'll see you again.